Okay, and yes, I got the brand new Bigfoot 50th, guys. The double pack with the normal Bigfoot. Here it is, Hot Wheels 50. That Bigfoot is so nice. So here's the back. There's a Rambling Wrecker, which I want to get totaled. I gotta get those. Jurassic Park, I have them. I need to get the Hot Wheels Racing 1 and 3, I guess. 3 and 1. I don't know. Back of it. So pretty cool demolition doubles. Here they are, the package. Let's go ahead and pop them open. See what we got with these beauties. Sorry guys, let's start with the new Bigfoot real quick. I'll go with the blue one because it's an old one we released, but we'll go. So here it is, Bigfoot, guys. I love the gold. Look at that 50th Bigfoot, guys. I got the gold rims and beadlocks, black roll cage, Bigfoot right here. The gold grill and gold motor insert. Gold window, Bigfoot Summit. It says Bob Chandler on it. There's a little logo here. Right there, Bob Chandler right there. Bigfoot, that's really nice. The back, the tailgate. Look at this Summit, this is so beautiful. Black chassis, black roll cage, black tires. Really nice. Get to the, we know what this one's, I'll show it anyways. Here it is, Bigfoot, guys, the pickup body. Bigfoot 4x4x4, the little Bigfoot Summit logo, Hot Wheels monster trucks. White roll cage. Grill and headlight printing with the Bigfoot name. And a little more grill printing down there. Nice metal thick blue. Bigfoot. White rims and beadlocks. Silver chassis. Bigfoot taillight printing. So that's all I got today, guys. Sorry. Like, subscribe, comment, share, guys. More unboxings. Go into them. Peace out, and hope you all enjoyed.